Welcome to the third video of our new garden. Obviously, you guys are seeing the end result, but I want to explain a few things. So we have our three big main garden beds. These are our two hot boxes. These will have ghost peppers, jalapeno peppers, cayenne peppers, a lot of different spicy peppers that I'll be growing in these two right here. What we did was we bordered off where we wanted the garden to end, and we added some, I have it right here actually, which is convenient. Cypress blend. It's a natural, no dye included mulch. That's how the look we were going for. We didn't want to go with a brown mulch or a red mulch. We just wanted this one right here, and we found it for pretty cheap at Lowe's for about $3.58. This area took about 28 to 29 bags, I think it was. And then obviously you've seen the fencing in the previous videos. We still haven't got the doors. I will make a video on how I'm doing the doors, but we were able to lay some seed down, which is going to be the fescue. Put some more topsoil to fill in some of the dirt holes that were dug up from a tree being removed prior to our living here. So here it is, folks. Take a good look. I hope you guys can watch this video and get some good ideas from this video, whether it's from the fencing, and I'll link a video above that I've done in the past that kind of explains what I did with the fencing in detail. The garden beds, not the biggest garden beds I've made, but definitely will do because they are gonna go straight down to the ground, that I shoveled and tilled up with my brand new tiller right here. I got this from Menards. Earthquake, worked phenomenally. Definitely wouldn't use this on a hardcore job, but for a small garden like this, definitely gets the job done. So if you have any questions, please comment below, like and subscribe, and enjoy the rest of your day.